Hello and welcome. The overlay adjustment pane is used to correct minor errors that can occur in the calibration process. If the AR overlays are grossly incorrect, we recommend users recalibrate their boards. However, for minor fine-tuning, the overlay adjustment pane has a host of features that can assist users in assuring calibrations are perfect. It is recommended to activate the project's board outline overlay, which can be found in the Add Overlay pane. Once activated, users can adjust the X, Y, and Z positioning of the overlays. The size and the rotation of the overlays may also be adjusted. With a few clicks, you can easily snap all the overlays into their proper placement.